Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Today, today's Monday. Took a trade today. Was pretty bearish on the day. We was coming into this gap over here. We was respecting from it hardly. Um, on both the pairs, but we didn't tap in on here. Today was pretty bearish on the day. We had a 500 brick structure. We had this gap that we were respecting hardly. On both of the pairs, we respected it. I went on the 1 minute time frame. I took a trade on NQ because NQ was laggy pair. I took 2 trades actually, and I got break even on the day. But this was the first trade. We had an SMT at the highs. We had this gap get inversed. We had a 1 minute break structure. We had this gap get inversed. Entered, had my stops right here, and then got stopped out, and then we literally went straight to TP. Should have my stops above this high, above the SMT, and targeted 1-to-1. But then I went on ES. I saw another trade. We had an SMT at the highs. We had this gap over here. We had a 1 minute break structure to the upside. We had this gap that we didn't reverse. I took the trade, had my stops over this high. Didn't target this low because it would have been a low RR trade. So I just took a 1-to-1 and got break even on the day. We was pretty bearish on the high time frame. Cause we was just respecting all of these gaps, and so I was just pretty bearish on the day. Um, and yeah, we have an 15-minute break structure, but after we just literally went straight up, but yeah, we didn't even respect it. I could have taken a 5 minute trade, 5 minute closure over here. Boom, had my stops here, and boom, that would have hit almost my stop loss, but then it would have literally went straight down. Um, on ES it's the same thing, yeah, over here, but I would have got stopped out if I had my stops up at the high right there. And target probably 1-to-1. And yeah, there's nothing else I can say. It's pretty bearish on the day, overall bearish. So I could have been bullish on the day as well, I could say, but there was nothing I could have looked for today. If I was bullish, because we don't have SMTs, we didn't have nothing for bullish confluences. I could have continued the trend over here because we were having a 1 minute break structure or a 1 hour break structure. This gap getting respected, so I could have continued the trend up, but I just took shorts because I was really bearish on the day. Um, we had all these confluences, so yeah, I just took a short. Got stopped out in the first trade, and then on the second trade, I hit TP and got break even day on the day. Pretty good, not gonna lie. Happy that we got break even. I'm gonna see how tomorrow goes. Tomorrow there is no news. June 10th, there's CPI news. So we're gonna see how that goes. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow, guys. Love y'all. See you guys. Peace.